industrial complex wants to stop spending $600 billion on a war with no fucking end all. Whether it be 1963 or now, you know, they intervened.
That's the least of it.
And what about us, Omega?
We try to stop them from bringing forth the apocalypse.
What's the need for any of it? Don't you guys just negate each other? Haha, sweet nothing. Part of our democracy. So does anyone oversee the two teams?
The devil.
The who? The devil. Manicured nails, no real field experience. And the resident with a 6-year-old autistic boy. It's called the devil because, you know, it's spooky. So I could just as easily snap it next to you. It's all for show. Plus it looks really cool when we unload our weapons. Oh, come on. Fucking. Who works the Monday morning shift? Is it Neil? Neil. I want you to do for 2 minutes. Oh, come on. Oh, you fucking retard! Open the door! Open the fucking door!
Oh, Jerry is so drunk he doesn't even know what to do. Are you gonna let him in? Let him away. My favorite.
I'm gonna eat your fucking and your brain and your fucking your soul.
I used to when you're gonna get. What'd you say to her? He told you that he was gonna dry it in the sun. Fuck your mother. You better watch out. She's all the time. She
Die of testicular cancer. You fucking overlord. Open the. Thank you. Never mind. Every morning. No, I can't because every day is Christmas. So what happens if that door malfunctions?